Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry App. So guys, you all know that your RRB PO, RRB clerk, SBA clerk, mains 2021 exam, guys, back-to-back mains exams are scheduled. So for that purpose, in order to boost your preparation, I am giving you this session on DI, guys. Yes, guys, on DI data interpretation. So we all know that for mains examination, data interpretation plays a very important role because from this only 15 to 20 questions, yes guys, at least 15 and sometimes 20 or 25 questions may also be there in the mains examination, guys. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing some DI and question based on this. So let us start discussing the question. So guys, this is the first question on your screen. This is a mains level question and let us see how we can solve this question, guys. This is basically a table based DI. Total computers manufactured we are given with, and percentage of laptops out of total computer we are given with, guys. So of laptop vehicles manufactured, guys. Okay, so 800, so 20% of 800 is what, guys? This is your 160. Here will be 160 and here will be 320. So what I will suggest ki if you have a short data or short table, so complete your table first and then start solving the question. In the same way, guys, 1 by 4 of this is 240. 45% of this means 480 minus 48. So this will give you 432, guys. Okay, and this will be 306 obviously, and this will be your 40% of this, guys. So 4 to the 8, 408. Okay, and 25% of this value means 1 by 4 of this value, so 210. 1 by 5, 1 by 2 of this value, so 420. Okay, guys, and 40, 20, 60. So here will be what, guys? If I talk about the percentage of what, guys, desktop is also remaining. So percentage of desktop will be what, guys? 40 plus 20, 60. So 40% obviously. So here will be 320. 45 plus 25 is equal to, guys, your 70. Okay, so 30% of this value, 30% of this value will be what, guys? Your 288. Okay, in the same way, guys, 40 plus 30 is 70 and 30% of this value will be 306 and 75% or 25% of this value will be 210 obviously. So this is the data we have, the overall data. Now I can solve the question very quickly based on this. Total number of MacBook manufactured by A and laptops manufactured by B together. So manufactured A, how many MacBook manufactured by A, guys? 320 obviously, 320. Okay, and laptops manufactured by B, guys, 240. So 320 plus 240 is equal to 560. So we have to find this 560 is how much percent of MacBook is manufactured by D. So guys, here we can see 420. So this 560 is how much more percent than this 420. So guys, obviously difference of this, we are comparing this with 420. So here will be 420 obviously, and the difference of this will be what? 140 will be in numerator, multiply by 100. Okay, guys, this will be cancelling out, and 100 by 3. So what is the 100 by 3, guys? 33 1/3%. So D will be the right answer. So this is the next question, guys. Find the ratio of the total number of desktop manufactured by C and D together. So guys, here we have C and D. Okay, 10 plus 6, 16. That means 516 divided by, because we need to find the ratio, laptops manufactured by A and B together. Laptops manufactured by this one, A and B, means 160 plus 240 will be equal to 400 obviously. So guys, 100, and we know that 12 4s are 48 and 9. So 129 ratio 100 will be the right answer obviously. A will be the right answer. This is the next question, guys. Average of MacBook manufactured by B, C and E is 400, guys. Okay, MacBook we are talking about, B, C and E. B, C, that means 432 plus 408 plus E is equal to, the average is 400, that means the total of this will be 1200 obviously. So E will manufacture the MacBook, MacBook will be what, guys? 1200 minus 40, that means 840. Okay, guys, and this will give you 360. So these 360 is the MacBook manufactured by E. Okay, E company. And now, guys, let us see what is there. The ratio of the MacBook to desktop. Okay, guys, MacBook to desktop. we are given with the ratio. Now this is 9:5, that means 9 is equal to 360. So if 9 is equal to 360, then 1 unit will be equal to obviously 40, so 5 unit will be equal to 200. So we have the desktop manufactured by E, the MacBook manufactured by E, and the total number of laptops we can find out. And how we can find out? Because total computers manufactured by E is 1040. So guys, laptops we can easily find out how? By subtracting this 360 and 200 from 1040, obviously. So this will be, guys, what guys? 560. 1040 minus 560. So 140 minus 60 will be equal to 80, and 9 minus 4 will be equal to 9 minus 5 will be equal to 4. So 480 will be the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Let us see what is there in the next question. Total number of desktop manufactured by B, guys. Okay, total number of desktop means this 288. Okay, 288 is, or how what percent more than the total number of desktop manufactured by D. That means we have to find out this 28 is how much more than this 210. So 210 will be in the denominator, obviously, and the it's 78. That means difference of this will be in the numerator. Multiply by 100. This will be cancelling out. 3 7 are 21. Okay, 3 7 are 21, and 26 3 are 78. So 260 by 7 will be the right answer. That means 7 3 are 21, 50, and 7 7 are 49. So 37, 1 by 7% will be the right answer. Now we can move to the next question. Find the average number of laptops manufactured by B, C, and D. So guys, these are the laptops B, C, and D. That means 240, okay, 306, and 210. So we know that, guys, average is what? This plus this by 3. So we can easily see that these are the or easily divisible by 3. So we can divide these individually by 3. 80. This will be 2, obviously. 102, and this will be 70. Okay, guys, and this will be 150, and this will be 252. So this is how, guys, you can do the calculation in the examination to save your time, basically. Now let's move to the next question. This is also a very good TI, guys. Total illiterate population in a village we are given with. Okay, we are given with, guys, and we have villages A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, and we have literacy rate also, guys. We have literacy rate given with. Number of people who have postgraduate degree we are given with. So guys, obviously this is what? This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Okay, if we calculate, guys, so 12% of 6,000 will be 720, obviously, and 15 6 are 90. So this will be, guys, 900. And this will be 6 8 ja 48, carry 4, 6 2 ja 12, 16, 1680, and your D will be 1 by 4 of this value. That means 5 or 1500, and 20% means 1 by 5 1 by 5 of this value. So obviously, guys, 1200. Okay, 1200 will be the value here. So guys, now we can start discussing the question. We can easily find out the question. Okay, all these data we do not need to calculate now, because we already will have the data in form of this. Okay, now we can start discussing the question. The first question we have, we need to find the ratio of the total people who have undergraduate degree from C and D together. Okay, C and D together. So guys, we have the total literate people from C we have 1680 from C, and from D we have 1500, and guys, we are given with the postgraduate in C and D. So obviously this minus the total number of postgraduate will be equal to the graduate one. So this will be 0 and 8. In the same way, we can find out this 700 is equal to 800. So this C is equal to 800 and D is equal to 800 will be what? Will be the total number of people have undergraduate degree. Okay, so together, these together will be what? 1600, obviously. And guys, we need to find what? To the total illiterate people. Guys, see, this is the illiterate people we are given with A and E together. Illiterate people is what? the person who are not illiterate, sorry. So A and D together. So A, if we talk about A, we have total population is 720, out of which 60% is the literacy rate. So guys, 60% of value we are given with 720, and obviously if literacy rate is 60%, so illiteracy rate will be what, guys? If I calculate the illiteracy rate, so this will be 40%. So we can easily find the 40% value. Okay, we can easily find the 40% value. This will be what, guys? 480. That means what, ki 480 will be the total number of illiterate people from village A. Okay, from village A. In the same way, we can find out for the village E. Okay, for the village E, the total population, literate population, we have 1200. The literacy rate we have 50. So 50% will also be having the illiteracy rate. So obviously 1200 will be, so guys, 50% is the value of 1200. This one I am talking about the literate people, and illiterate people, guys, again 50%. This will be the value of 1200. So the total population of E will be what? 2400, out of which 1200 is the literate and 1200 is illiterate. Okay guys, so A and E is equal to 1200. So we have to find the ratio. So ratio is what? This 1600, guys, divided by 1200 plus 480, that means 1680. So we can find the ratio. Okay, 44 for the 16, 4 to the 8. Okay, 4 10 2 20 and 2 21. So 20 ratio 21 will be the right answer. I hope you got the question. Let us move to the next question. Okay, so this is the next question. Is the total number of people who have postgraduate degree, that means these number of people we are talking about, guys, and for all the village together is to distribute in the pie chart. Okay, pie chart. So obviously if all these people are distributed in the pie chart, so all the sum of these people will be equal to 360 degree. So let us do the sum. 9, 17, 24, 27, that means 2700, 40, 60, 100, 80. So 2880. This is equal to 360 degree. This is equal to 360 degree, guys. Okay, 360 degree. And we need to find for B and D together. B and D together means B and D. So 1200 value we need to find. 1200 will be equal to 360 degree divided by 2880 multiplied by 1200. This will be the value. This will be cancelling out. Okay, 144 and 600, and this will be 72, or this will be what? 36. 4 ja your 144, actually 4 ja 144. Okay, and 4 15 ja 1, so 150 degree will be the right answer, guys. I hope you got it. Okay, I hope you got it. This is the next question, guys. Very good level of question, I have to say. Total female in C are 25% less than that of males, and 80% of total females in C are illiterate. So first of all, we are talking about the total population. Okay, total population. So guys, what will be the total population in C? Okay, so how we can determine total population in C? C have the literate people, guys. Literate people as 1680. Okay, 1680, and the literacy rate is 80%. So what does that mean? That means is 80% is equal to 1680. So the total population will be 100%. Obviously 100% will be equal to, this will be cancelled out, 8 to the 16, 8 1 8, 2100. So 2100, guys, will be the total population, and out of this 2100, if the male and female ratio is given 25% less than that of male, that means if male is 4, then female will be 3, and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 is equal to 2100. So 1 will be equal to 300. That means total male we are talking about 1200, total female we have 900. Okay, 900, and 80% of this value, 80% of 900 is equal to 720. These are the literate male, guys. Literate female, sorry, literate female according to the question. This is what in the question given. So we are done. If 50% of total males in C who are literate, okay, so literate male first of all we need to find, guys. So how we can find the literate male? Basically total literate person we are given with 680, and total literate female we have 720. So obviously total male literate we can find how, your 1680 minus 720, so this will be equal to 960. These are the total male literate, and out of this 50% are postgraduate. So postgraduate male literate, I am writing like this, 50% of this value means 480, obviously. So 480 are the what, these are the literate postgraduate. Then find the number of females who are literate but not have postgraduate. So guys, see, now what we have in C, total postgraduate we have 880, okay. Male postgraduate we have 480. So obviously we can find female postgraduate 880 minus 480. So this will be what guys, 400. So this is the female postgraduate. This is the female postgraduate, and total female literate we have 720. So guys, we can easily find the total female who are not graduate, so who are not postgraduate. So this will be what guys, female undergraduate, UG is equal to female total illiterate total population, total illiterate female, that means 720 minus female postgraduate, okay. So 720 minus 400, this will give you 320 will be the right answer. Very good question guys, I have to say. Let's move to the next question. Let us see what is there in the next question. Okay, find the average number of people who have not postgraduate degree from A, D and E. Which one? A, D and E. Postgraduate means only the graduate one. So A we have 720, so obviously 720 minus 440, this will give you 280. From D guys, we have 1500 minus 700, because total illiterate number of people here and postgraduate here, so illiterate minus postgraduate will be equal to not graduate, 800, okay. E we have 1200, to 1200 minus 360 will be equal to guys 840, okay. Average we need to find, average we can easily find, so 10, 18, 8 plus 4 is 14, so 19, 20 divided by 3, okay. 3 6 is 18 and 3 4 is 12, so guys 640 will be the right answer. Very good question. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so this is the next question. Total illiterate people from A and C together. So guys, A we have 60% literacy rate, the total we have 720, that means 60% is equal to 720. So remaining 40% will be illiterate, 720 divided by 60 multiplied by 40. Okay guys, so this will be 0, 12, 480. So here we have 480. In the same way guys, for C 1680, this is the 80%, so 80% is equal to 1680, and guys 1% will be equal to 21, so remaining 20% will be illiterate, so this will be equal to your 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 is 4, 420, this will be 420, and these together will give you 900. And now the total illiterate people from E guys, 50% is a literacy rate, 1200 is the total literate people, so obviously remaining 50% will be equal to again 1200, so this will be 1200. So we need to find that this 1200 is how much less than this 1200, this 900 is how much less than this 1200, 1200 will be in bottom, the difference of this 300 multiplied by 100, 300 for the 12, 425 is the 100, so A will be right answer, 25% will be the right answer. So guys, I hope you will like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. If you guys didn't download the Entry app, so download it and start your free of cost bank exam preparation right now with free high quality mock tests, video lessons and many more things like sectional tests, topic wise tests and subject wise exams. And you can also join me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. In case if you have any query, then you can directly contact me. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys. Thank you very much guys, and keep watching NT for more such update and more such videos. Thank you.